Voyager 1. The whisper beyond silence. For months, Voyager 1, a spacecraft older than the Internet, fell silent. 15 billion miles from Earth, its voice was gone. No signal. No data. Only absence, as if the universe had drawn a curtain. Scientists feared the inevitable, that our most distant explorer had finally died in the dark. And then, just as hope faded, a whisper returned. Not routine. Not a reboot. What Voyager sent back shattered the illusion that beyond the sun lies emptiness. Because what it revealed wasn't empty at all. It was structure. Motion. Pressure. Echoes, a hidden architecture of space. When Voyager crossed the heliopause in 2012, it became the first human creation to leave the sun's protective bubble. Many thought it would drift into silence, lost in a starless void. Instead, in April 2024, after scrambled transmissions, Voyager stirred awake. And what it began sending shook astrophysics to its core. Space is not silent. It hums. A steady, low vibration filling the interstellar medium like the pulse of something alive. Voyager's plasma wave detector caught it, a faint resonance, as if the galaxy itself had a heartbeat. But there was more. Sudden spikes. Shockwaves from ancient supernovas. Invisible ripples. Echoes of long-dead stars. Interstellar space is not empty. It is an ocean, layered, restless, alive. And Voyager is our fragile boat, adrift in cosmic weather we never imagined. Its magnetometer revealed violent twists, the galactic magnetic field grinding against the sun's, like tectonic plates colliding. Not chaos. But order. Patterns. A hidden skeleton of the Milky Way. Some regions deflect cosmic rays. Others funnel them like rivers. Voyager crossed one such current, particles slamming into it at near light speed. This was no gentle fade. It was a wall. A frontier. Beyond it, the rules change. By late 2023, Voyager seemed finished. Signals garbled. Data unreadable. Engineers feared its electronics had failed. But NASA refused to surrender. They traced the fault to a single corrupted chip, struck by a cosmic ray. From 15 billion miles away, they rewired its brain, rerouting commands through 1970s hardware with instructions that took 22 hours to arrive. And it worked. By April 2024, Voyager returned. One by one, its instruments woke. Not just revived, reborn. What it sends now is not only data, but a map. A living atlas of interstellar space. Scientists are stitching its findings together, the first navigation chart of the galaxy. Not of stars or planets, but of radiation zones, magnetic walls, and invisible clouds. Voyager has already passed through multiple cloudlets, dense pockets of plasma, each with unique conditions and climates. Someday, these maps may guide explorers along safe corridors, shielding them from lethal radiation. Voyager is no longer just a probe. It is a cartographer of the unseen, tracing the skeleton of the Milky Way. We once thought interstellar space was uniform. Voyager shows us otherwise. It is weather. Currents. Storms. Perhaps most haunting of all, Voyager may now be brushing the edge of the local bubble, a vast cavity carved by supernovas, its walls still trembling with ancient echoes. Voyager sails through this graveyard of suns, listening as the galaxy whispers. Silence does not exist. Space hums. It resonates. A galactic heartbeat carried on plasma and fields. Some call it turbulence. Others suspect it is the Milky Way's natural resonance. Whatever it is, Voyager hears it. And now, so do we. This changes everything. Space is not emptiness but terrain. Ridges of radiation. Valleys of low intensity. Walls carved by ancient stars. For the first time, we are mapping the topography of interstellar space. Voyager was never built for this. It carried only a golden record, our message in a bottle. Yet here it is, proving that space is not silent, not still, not dead. It is layered. It is structured. It is alive with memory. Every hum. Every ripple. Every boundary Voyager crosses builds toward a single truth. Humanity was never meant to stop at the edge of the solar system. We were meant to listen. To learn. To push further. Because space is not a void. It is a story, written in plasma, radiation, and time. And Voyager, half-deaf, decades old, still drifting on fading power, is writing its first chapter for us. So the next time you look at the stars, remember, 15 billion miles away, a golden-plated messenger is still listening, still mapping the hidden bones of the galaxy. And maybe, reminding us that the true frontier is not out there. It's our hunger